Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Girl, I'm excited because I'm coming with the tea. In today's video, we are diving into this fashion styling AI app called LookSky. Yes, you heard right. I said AI styling. This app literally told me what color flatters me, what necklines work for my face shape. Girl, come here. And even showed me how these clothes will look on my body, yada yada. You surprised too? I know. But before we get into the tea, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and thumbs up this video because I already know you're going to like it. And if you're new here, well, hello, welcome. I really hope this is not going to be your last time stopping by. And if you're pulling makeup, girl, give me some. That's why I fucks with you. All the tea that I will share in this video, including a coupon code, links, all that will be pinned down in my comment section or found in my description box, boo, because you already know I got you. So, LookSky is a free AI styling app that helps you figure out what looks good on you. So I'm calling all the people to the front who has a lack of fashion style. You gonna want to tune in. All the rest of y'all move on out the way. Make some room for them. And it doesn't just cover what's trending, but what actually complements your body shape, your face, your vibe. You matter. And when I tell you it's so easy and simple as ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. You only take a style quiz, upload a photo, and it gives you a full breakdown of what works for you, what you need to stay away from, and what'll have you stepping out looking like somebody's fine auntie. Okay, so let's start with the basics, which is creating your profile. I simply signed up using an email, a username, which is what you would also do. While you're signing up, you will see something like a referral code. Make sure you're entering the code Kira during this step because you're gonna get some freebies, child. And who don't want for the free? Which I'll tell you a little bit more about that later on. Then you're gonna have to take a style quiz, which I actually enjoy. Nothing too long and overwhelming, honey, so don't be worried. It was questions more or less about your body shape, body proportions, what you like to wear, what you don't like to wear. And once you fill out all of that tea, the app will break everything down for you. I believe I selected triangle for my body shape, and for my proportions, I did pretty much even tone because I did not see an option for long torsos. It was either long legs, short body, long body, short legs, and then a balance. So I just went along with that. I then uploaded a picture of me, child, and boom! It told me just off my picture that my face shape was oval, my eyes are almond, and my lips are full. And I don't know about you, but I see no lies detected. Then it had the audacity to drop suggestions on what necklines, sleeves, and styles would complement my features. On top of that, it even analyzed my body shape and gave me styles that will complement my figure. So take me for example, I'm triangle shape, and it suggested wrap tops, A-line skirts, which I don't know if y'all been paying attention in my recent hauls. I've been really getting into the A-line dresses. Now I see why. And let me just be honest with you, I was in awe. I literally spent a good hour just playing around on this app. Then we got into the color season analysis. And y'all, this is one of the most helpful tools, in my opinion, that's on this app. Let me break it down for you in layman's terms as to what exactly this even means. Because I know initially I thought they were speaking in a different language too. So based on your skin tone, undertones, hair color, eyes, the app places you in one of 4 main seasonal categories: spring, summer, autumn, winter. And then it narrows it down even more. I was told that I was categorized with dark autumn. Now let me tell you why I found this helpful. Once you know your color season, you'll know exactly what shades make you pop. A lot of the time y'all pull up to the comment section and always complimenting me on reds, orange, mustards, olive greens, and it all makes sense because these are colors that they said looks really great on my skin tone. It allows you to shop smarter because you won't be wasting money on colors that's not flattering to you. Instead, it'll complement it. You following me? And girl, it even told me what colors I need to stay the hell away from too. I don't know about you, but I really appreciated this app's honesty. And if you use this app, this will be a game changer because you'll start choosing colors that make you pop and actually elevate your entire look. Now, the virtual try-on feature, girl, is clutch. You simply upload your picture and it overlays the look on you. When I say it, I'm talking about an outfit. Yes, child, because you're gonna get served some outfits for examples, but we getting there. Hold your horses. We getting. What I loved about this feature is typically when we're browsing the website, we are going off of what sis looked like, right? We're trying to envision ourselves in the outfit, right? But no. This app allows you to put your picture as the reference. Not a model, not a mannequin, you. Now, it is AI, so keep that in mind as to how everything will look. But I love this because it gives a solid idea of how you may look with it on, instead of waiting until you receive the item, try it on, and then have to send that back or give it away to somebody. And remember I talked about using my code so you can get some freebies? Well, you get 5 virtual try-ons per day. I wish it was more. I do kind of wish it was unlimited. However, when you use my code Kira, you'll earn more. And then if you share this out with others, you'll unlock even more. So you're starting off with a few, and then you're using my code to gain more. And then on top of that, when you share, the more try-ons you'll earn. So share this video, share the app, and don't be still. You ever had an engagement to attend and you just didn't know what the hell that you were gonna put on? You might have had an idea, but you just couldn't put nothing together. This app has a smart shopping feature. So after you do all of this, I told you that they populate or generate some things that will look great based on your styling quiz. You will go through the list, and when you find something you love in the LookSky app, you would heart it or like it, or you can even press the try on feature so that you can see how it look on you. Also shows you exactly where you can find that exact item from. So you don't have to use Google or whoever you use these days, Shy, to go and search, because it's right there for you. It includes the price, the product info, and even items that are similar to that from different brands as well. So you can pretty much pick what works for your budget. Girl, you cannot tell me this app is not genius. They also allowed, when I did my styling quiz, for me to select stores that I typically shop with. So you already know Boohoo, Shein, Pretty Little Things, Fashion, those were on the list. But if you prefer non-fast fashion, they had options like Mangoes and Express and other premium places as well if you want to spend a little bit more coin for a little bit better quality. And the items that it shows comes directly from that store. Girl, I feel like I don't even need to say nothing else. If you're not convinced by now, it's literally like having a stylist and a shopping assistant and a phone. And you carry your phone with you everywhere you go, all day, every day. So what are you losing? I don't know about you, but on this side of town, shopping smarter and not harder is the goal. It gave suggestions that made sense for my height, my curves, my skin tone, and even reminded me that I've been asleep on some styles that would actually look bomb on me. And I love that you can let the app know what you don't like, and it'll take that into account and suggest more flattering options that will still match your preference. It's giving elevated. It's giving intuitive. It's giving somebody fine auntie. Oh, I forgot to mention about Skylar, child. Skylar is the personal assistant that you can speak to via chat. We're going to try her one-on-one. So I'm going to type here, I'm attending a leopard print themed event and I need help with picking something out. Cute and comfortable. And I actually did attend something like this, y'all. You can see she's analyzing and she's talking to me, honey. And she's saying, okay, let's tackle Kira's request. She needs a leopard print outfit for a themed event. Not them telling my age. Girl, she wrote a whole essay. It says, so the style should be age appropriate but still fun. Her body type is romantic keep, which means soft flowing lines and waist definition will flatter me. I'm a triangle shape, balancing my lower half and some volume on the top. Looking at my past preferences, I like trendy chic polished styles, quiet luxury, elegant feminine. She wants to feel sexy and confident. Girl, A-line cuts and thigh splits. They know me. It's low-key giving stalkerish vibes. How they know that? Since some of the outfits should be breathable, they know I don't like to be hot. They know I'm in Florida. Leopard print can be bold, so I need to suggest some styles that are stylish without being overwhelming and blase, honey. And then it comes up with the list. Sultry wrap dress, drama, jumpsuit, joy with edge, midi skirt, statement moment, off-shoulder flirty top, drape maxi goddess vibes. Which of these is close to the vision? That's what it's asking me, child. And then it has pictures of what I would go for. And let's see. What is something? Is it something that I really like? I guess it depends on where I'm going. But because I said comfy, maybe I'll go with this. I like that jumpsuit. But that's not really leopard print. I like this one. I like that off the shoulder top. So it's asking me which of these feels closest to your vision. I can tweak the details. I'll say number 4. And then it comes back up with a whole nother book, honey. A whole nother book. But do you see the details? And it's so quick. Y'all attention span is so short, honey. It gives you the tea so quick. I've always wanted a personal stylist. I'm not even gonna lie. I think later on I'm gonna sit around and play and let them know that I love the style of Fantasia, love the style of Mary J. Blige. I want to give them some ideas. But so far, they have definitely been coming through. And what I don't like, I just dislike it. You can definitely select the option to not like it. And it'll ask you, well, why you don't like it? And you can select because of the pattern. It's dated. It's not giving what I wanted to give. I just don't like it. And then they'll know for the next time around. And I want to mention that they come up with styles daily. So if it's something that you don't like or something that you don't happen to see anything that really catches your attention on your eye, girl, pull back up. But as you can see, it came up with a list of ideas to kind of get you going. And I'm pretty sure that if I add about accessories, if I had more time, I could be able to get more into depth with it. I'm pretty sure that she'll come through. Because Skylar is the one and not the two. This app can literally help eliminate all the stress when it comes to picking out clothes and such. Even though there was so much greatness going on in this app, I will say, I personally didn't like the limited amount of try-ons because I can get crazy. I'm really big on just browsing and scrolling when it comes to online shopping like y'all do and pull up to and window shop at the mall. I do that on my phone. So I know for a fact that I will come across more than 5 things that I would love to be able to try on, and I don't really want to feel limited. But using my code helps, sharing it out, I'll be able to earn more try-ons. The good news about this whole app is that they're updating regularly. So I wouldn't be surprised if they actually improve that. I love the idea of the daily drops, but it would be nice if maybe within a few hours or just a little sooner than daily. But I could just be being greedy. Also, we got to keep in mind it's AI. So even though you're uploading your actual picture, it does have a few hiccups when they do the overlay of the outfit, but it gets the job done with allowing you to be able to just give a visual of how you would look instead of Stephanie, who's a size 2, or Shirley, who done went and laid on them tables so she got an hourglass figure when I know I don't. You get what I'm saying? I don't even really think that those are huge flaws. These are things that can literally be changed with time. This is a newer app, so expect changes all the time. But the direction that this app is going, it's going to be something huge, honey. And I'm just so glad that I was able to bring this to y'all early on. Don't ever say I never shared nothing with y'all. If you don't believe the tea that I bought you in this video, honey, I encourage you to click the link below and try it for yourself. It's free anyway. And honestly, it's fun. And I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to come back and say, girl, I was able to spend hours on that app. Make sure you use my code Kira to not only get you some additional try-ons, but also the color analysis. so that you can know exactly what looks good on you. Once you go and do your style analysis, make sure you pull back up in them comment sections and tell me what is your color season in the comments. Come back and tell me what they recommended that flatters your body. And do you think that it was actually accurate? Also, come down there in them comments and tell me whether or not if you're going to plan on trying this app out. I don't see why you wouldn't. It's free. But let me know. Come talk to me in them comments. I'll talk back. I want to thank LookSky so very much for giving me this opportunity. And I want to thank you, yes, you, for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.